Hello, friends. Now I am going to discuss fasting mimicking diet for non-vegetarians. I am Dr. Jagatjit Singh Virk, MBBS, FCGP, FAMS, PGDGM. Fasting mimicking diet regimen for a North Indian individual who includes non-vegetarian food in their diet. This 5-day plan follows the principles of fasting mimicking diet with low calories, around 800 to 1100 kilocalories per day, low protein and high healthy fats, while still allowing for some non-vegetarian sources of protein such as chicken or fish. Day 1, higher calories intake of 1100 kilocalories on the very first day. Breakfast, masala chia pudding approximately 200 kilocalories. 2 tablespoonful of chia seeds, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk or coconut milk, a pinch of cinnamon and cardamom. Stevia is optional, 5 to 6 almonds chopped. Mid-morning snack, coconut oil tea, approximately 100 kilocalories. 1 cup herbal tea without sugar. 1 teaspoonful coconut oil, can add a pinch of turmeric. Lunch, chicken soup, approximately 300 kilocalories. 100-gram chicken breast, skinless, boiled with ginger, garlic, turmeric, and cumin. Broth from chicken cooked with mixed vegetables like carrots, bottle gourd, and celery. 1 teaspoonful of olive oil for finishing, salt, pepper, and coriander for seasoning. Afternoon snack, cucumber and tomato salad, approximately 50 kilocalories. 1 small cucumber diced, 1 small tomato diced, 1 tablespoon olive oil, a pinch of salt and pepper. Dinner, grilled fish with avocado salad, approximately 400 kilocalories. 100-gram white fish, that is bassa tilapia, grilled with lemon, garlic, and cumin. Half avocado cubed, 1 tablespoon olive oil mixed with lemon juice, garnish with cilantro and pinch of salt and pepper. Day 2. On day 2 and subsequent days, you are to keep it lower calories intake, 800 kilocalories. Breakfast, almond milk smoothie, approximately 150 kilocalories. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 tablespoon flax seeds, a pinch of cinnamon or cardamom. Stevia is optional. Breakfast, mid-morning snack and lunch. Green tea with a dash of lemon, approximately 0 calories. And lunch, eggplant and chicken stir fry, approximately 250 kilocalories. 50-gram chicken breast cooked in 1 teaspoon olive oil with garlic and turmeric. 1 cup eggplant sliced and sauteed with mustard seeds, cumin, and salt. 1 teaspoon olive oil. Afternoon snack, a coconut and almond balls, approximately 100 kilocalories. 1 tablespoon unsweetened shredded coconut, 5 almonds chopped, 1 teaspoonful coconut oil melted. Dinner, saag mustard greens with fish, approximately 300 calories. 1 cup saag mustard greens cooked with garlic, cumin, and turmeric. 100-gram fish, salmon or mackerel, sauteed in olive oil and added to the saag. Day 3, lower calorie intake, 800 kilocalories. Breakfast, coconut chia pudding, approximately 150 kilocalories. 2 tablespoons of chia seed, half cup coconut milk, stevia or monk fruit sweetener, optional. A few chopped almonds for crunch. Mid-morning snack and lunch. Herbal tea, approximately 0 kilocalories. Lunch, chicken and methi soup, approximately 250 kilocalories. 100-gram chicken breast boiled with fenugreek, methi, ginger, garlic, and cumin. Broth with a dash of lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Afternoon snack, cucumber and mint salad, approximately 50 kilocalories. 1 small cucumber sliced, fresh mint leaves chopped, 1 teaspoon olive oil, a pinch of salt and pepper. Dinner, sauteed shrimp with veggies, approximately 350 kilocalories. 100-gram shrimp sauteed in 1 tablespoon olive oil with garlic, chili flakes, and turmeric. 1 cup of sauteed vegetables like zucchini, bell pepper, and mushrooms, cooked with mustard seeds and cumin. Day 4, lower calorie intake, 800 kilocalories. Breakfast, almond and flaxseed smoothie, approximately 150 kilocalories. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 tablespoon flax seeds, pinch of cinnamon, stevia optional. Mid-morning snack and lunch. Herbal tea, approximately 0 kilocalories. Lunch, zucchini soup with fish, approximately 250 kilocalories. 1 cup zucchini chopped and cooked with garlic, onion, and 1 teaspoon olive oil. Half cup coconut milk or creaminess. 100-gram fish, cod or tilapia, flaked into the soup. Afternoon snack, roasted pumpkin seeds, approximately 100 kilocalories. 1 tablespoon roasted pumpkin seed with a pinch of salt. Dinner, grilled chicken salad, approximately 300 kilocalories. 100-gram chicken breast grilled with spices, garlic, cumin, coriander powder, and lemon juice. 1 cup mixed greens, cup spinach, lettuce, and arugula. Half avocado cubed, 1 tablespoon olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Day 5, lower calorie intake, 800 kilocalories. Breakfast, coconut chia pudding, approximately 150 kilocalories. 2 tablespoon chia seeds, half cup coconut milk, a pinch of cinnamon, stevia or monk fruit sweetener as optional. Mid-morning snack, lemon water, approximately 0 kilocalories. Lunch, chicken broth soup, approximately 250 kilocalories. Chicken broth made from 100-gram chicken bones, boiled with spices like ginger, garlic, cumin, and bay leaves. A few slices of mushrooms and spinach added to the broth. 1 teaspoon olive oil. Afternoon snack, roasted pumpkin seeds, approximately 100 kilocalories. 1 tablespoon roasted pumpkin seeds with a pinch of salt. Dinner, grilled chicken salad, approximately 300 kilocalories. 100-gram chicken breast grilled with spices like garlic, cumin, coriander powder, and lemon juice. 1 cup mixed greens, spinach, lettuce, and arugula. Half avocado cubed. 1 tablespoon olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Day 5, lower calorie intake. Coconut chia pudding, approximately 150, 1 tablespoon chia seed, half cup coconut milk, a pinch of cinnamon, stevia, or monk fruit. Mid-morning snack and lunch, lemon water, approximately 0 calories. Lunch, chicken broth soup, approximately 250 kilocalories. Chicken broth made from 100-gram chicken bones, boiled with spices like ginger, garlic, cumin, and bay leaves. A few slices of mushrooms and spinach added to the broth. 1 teaspoon olive oil. Almonds approximately 100 kilocalories, 8 to 10 almonds unsalted. Dinner, egg and spinach stir fry, approximately 300 kilocalories. 2 eggs scrambled with spinach, cooked in 1 teaspoon olive oil, a pinch of turmeric, salt, and black pepper, a sprinkle of cumin seeds for flavor. Key guidelines for non-vegetarian fasting mimicking diet. Protein sources. The plan includes lean sources of animal protein, primarily from chicken, fish, shrimp, and eggs, but in small portions to keep protein intake low as per FMD guidelines. Healthy fats. The focus is on healthy fats such as from olive oil, coconut oil, avocados, almonds, and flax seeds, which provide energy without spiking insulin levels. Low carbohydrates. Vegetables like spinach, zucchini, eggplant, and cauliflower are staples in this plan to keep carbohydrate intake minimal, promoting fat burning through ketosis. Hydration. Drink plenty of water, herbal teas, and lemon water to stay hydrated and support detoxification during the fasting phase. Herbs and spices. Spices like turmeric, ginger, cumin, and garlic are included not only for flavor but also for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Conclusion. This plan provides a low-calorie, low-protein, high-fat